Alright, so this is going to be ending to the last video because videos got deleted because I got a new phone. So this will be part 2 to the headliner, but part 1 of the door pods, the fiberglass custom ones. I can't do stuff normal. I've looked at the custom speaker pods at .com, whatever it is. I don't like how they look. They look alright, the white ones, but I'd rather build fiberglass ones to match the box. But here is part 2 of the headliner install. Let me turn the camera around. All right, so here's the headliner other than my visors. I'm having problems with the visors. I got that one covered. I don't like it. The fabric was too short on the mirror side, which I could throw it together and put it up. You wouldn't ever see it unless you open the mirror, but I'm gonna try to do it right. I know I painted that, got all my LEDs in, got my box back in, tuning on them, but I think I'm still having some issues. Let me turn them on. All right, there they are. Let me make them change color. There. Everything's done. I found these in the junkyard this past weekend, $11 a piece. I gotta go back and get them. I had no tools with me. So, but for the most part, it's done. Still gotta mount the box. Orions I'm putting in, components in the front, and six by eights in the back, 3 ways. But I got these components that are going in the doors. I'm going to 6.5 down there, tweeter there. I've already cut one of the tweeter rings just to make sure it worked right. Video that in a minute. But 6.5 in the bottom, or 6 1/4. Yeah, 6.5, and then the tweeter up top. Yeah. Let's get to the doors. All right, so what I'm doing is making trim rings for the speakers to go in, so I have something to fleece to and fiberglass to. So what I'm doing is I've got a 2 1/8 inner, then I got a 2 1/2 that recesses it a little bit, and then I'm going back 3 1/4 and cutting the actual outer. I'm having to file them a little bit, but it's working. Taking the bigger one, screwing it on, 2 1/2. Taking the 1 1/8, screwing it inside. Making sure I got enough room for the bigger one. Tifuses. Gum up. Using a bigger drill, they probably go a little quicker. Alright, gotta figure some drill out. About to hurt the Milwaukee boys' feelings. They fixing to get butt hurt. Bringing out the green. And I'm gonna put the big one. Put the bigger one on. Smaller one in the center. The lip just pops out. So now been dropping stuff all day. Put the bigger one on, which is 3 1/4. Put the 2 1/2 one in the middle. Been my day all day. Flip it over. See if we make something happen. That's it. 2 of them days. One bar. Cutting a thin lip between the two sizes of the drill bit. End up with that. Now let me go use Brandon's file and file the inside. I'll be back. Got them both cut out. Took the whole saw by hand. Just go in the center. Kind of dig it down a little deeper. Straighten it all the way out or all the way around to about the same thickness. These speakers have a screw on back. So I'm going to have to do a little more trimming, but the nut will fit in there. Probably gonna make it to where it stays, and then I'll just screw that in. Let's go out here to the truck. fiberglass it in. And the bottom one. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do the hole for that one. I don't have hole saws big enough. I got one that's a 6-inch. Came with these angles, which would have worked good to hold the ring while it was fiberglassed. But I got one of them on the back. Let's see if I can do this. They give you these, usually a flat one and a curved one. They gave me 3 flat ones and 1 curved one. But this is the ring to go on the back. The screw on. Well, having technical difficulties. Finding the threads. Come on. All right, got it on. See, it screws on the back. So I'm gonna screw it. Probably try to recess it. That's why I cut that hole so big, so deep. I have to go in there with a Dremel. Trace it. Dremel it out. I don't know. I'll figure something out. But tweeter there, 6.5 there. I'm old school. I'm in my 40s, so iron was good back in the day. Figured they still good now. My problem was finding a speaker that had a decent looking front grill. But something like that. These will be running on a Down for Sound Mini Max 4-channel. So, get back with y'all. It comes with the crossover. Probably gonna mount crossover like right there. Ain't no point in hiding it. It's the only place I know without hiding it, and I don't want to hide it. Might as well make it seen.